Good afternoon. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamotho. And I want us to understand example 3 on page 72 of shape and space. 6, the topic still remains shape and space. 6, that's where we are, IGCSE of course. And example 3 talks in the diagram, PAQ is a tangent, PAQ is a tangent at A to a circle with center O. Angle BOC is 112 degrees, and angle CAQ is 73 degrees. Work out the size of the angle OBA. We should be able to calculate angle OBA. Fine. As much as we know a lot of things here, some basic or rather fundamental information, that is a radius and that is a radius. And that is also a radius, though this line was not provided in the question. I just felt it could be there. It could be of benefit to us. So this being radius, triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle by the virtue of the fact that OB is equals to OC, OB is equals to OC. They are both radii of the same circle are equal. And of course, the base angle of an isosceles triangle, you have 180 minus 112 degrees, which is 68. If you divide by 2, you will get 34 degrees. So this angle is 34 degrees, and this angle is 34 degrees. And having said that, of course, you would also be able to know that angle CAQ is 73 degrees. It is the angle between this tangent and this chord. This is the angle between the tangent and the chord in the minor segment. The same chord is seen to subtend that angle in the major segment. That angle there. So if you work with this chord to the circumference, it will take you here, and that is the angle we are saying the whole of that angle is 73 degrees, the whole of this angle. And the fact that we have already 34 degrees there, so we also noting that angle CBA is 73 degrees, and the reason being angles in alternate segment, and this is exactly the subtopic. The reason being is angles in alternate segments are equal. And of course, it goes without saying, this is 73, and the whole of this angle is 73, and you have 34 in it. So therefore, angle OBA is going to be 73 degrees minus 34 degrees, which is basically 39 degrees. We have found out that. Fine. If that is true, then we can also deal with it in a different way. The fact that this is 73 degrees, we can create a radius there, and this angle is OAQ is going to be 90. Within the 90, we have 73, so this is 17 degrees. Again, using the isosceles property, this is 17 degrees. The 17 plus 17 is 34. 180 minus 34 is 146. 146 becomes angle subtended by this chord at the center of the circle. Angle subtended by the same chord on the circumference is supposed to be half 146, meaning 73. So again, this gives you 73 degrees. 73 minus 34, this remains 39 degrees. And that is just like it. And please make sure you follow and let's see what happens next. All right,